Hey guys, Frugal Stu here. Is your air vent broken like this? Today I want to show you how to replace a single air vent on a 2007 to 2013 Chevrolet Silverado. This is the left air vent located inside the radio dash panel. I did not see any videos on replacing this air vent, so I decided to share my experience. You can replace the entire piece with both air vents, however I did not want to spend the money to replace other parts that were working. You can find a spare single air vent on eBay or at a parts yard. I paid around $20. To replace this air vent, first you have to take off the radio dash panel. To take this panel off, pull at the top of the trim piece and it should start releasing the clips. There are several clips around the panel. This dash is severely cracked, so I'm not worried about breaking anything, but be careful as the dashes can crack very easily. When taking off this panel, it helps if you insert the key so you can reposition the shifter, to make it a little easier as there is one clip behind the shifter. The panel has the cigarette lighter hooked up, but you can leave those in place while removing this air vent. This air vent has 4 clips. As you can see, there are 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. I found it is best to remove the bottom 2 clips first near the air vent knob. I used a flathead screwdriver to press on the tab and to push out the air vent. I was careful not to break off the tabs, but I had to apply enough force to slide out the air vent. After removing the bottom 2 tabs, the top 2 tabs are even tighter because of the angle of the air vent. Pry the remaining tabs and push the air vent out of the panel. The air vent should pop straight out. I had trouble filming the process of prying and removing, but it is pretty straightforward. Lastly, the new air vent should snap right in. After that, you can push the radio dash panel back on and you are complete. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.